Here's how to generate a client statement in Clio Manage, step by step. Start by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are in the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Billing. This opens the billing area, where statement and invoice tools are grouped together. From the billing page, find the New Bills button. Click the down arrow next to it to open the menu of related billing actions. From that list, select New Statements of Account. This takes you to the Statement Setup screen, where you can decide who the statement should be created for and how it should be formatted. Next, choose the scope for the statement. You can generate statements for all clients, for a specific client, or for a responsible attorney. Select the option that matches the statement you need to produce. If you are creating a statement for one client or for matters assigned to one attorney, make sure the correct selection is in place before moving forward. After that, configure the statement options. You will see fields for group results by, currency, and select date range. Choose the grouping that fits how you want the information displayed. Set the currency if your account uses more than one. Then define the date range for the statement so the billing activity shown matches the period you want to include. You can also choose any account balances you want reflected in the statement. Review each of these fields as you go, since they determine what appears in the final document. Once the content options are set, move to the display settings. Select the bill theme you want to use for the statement. This controls the visual layout used when the statement is generated. Then choose your preferred format, such as PDF. If you plan to save, print, or send the statement afterward, make sure the selected format matches that purpose. Before generating the statement, take a moment to review all of the settings on the page. Confirm that the client scope is correct, the grouping and currency are what you intended, the date range is accurate, and any account balances you wanted included are selected. Also verify the bill theme and output format. This final check helps avoid generating a statement with the wrong billing period or presentation. When everything looks correct, click Generate Statements of Account. Clio Manage will process the request and create the client statement using the options you selected. Depending on the number of statements or the amount of billing data included, this may take a moment. Your client statement in Clio Manage is now generated with the settings you selected.